Hi guys, welcome to Twitter's funny channel. Today I am going to teach point of sale system step by step part 20 tutorial. In our last class we saw the calculation part of point of sale system. These are the calculation part we did in our last tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to teach if you enter all the data and click save button, the data will be going to add in our database. Okay, let me see how to add this data into our database. Okay, in this lecturing I am going to teach. Okay, let me go to the lesson. This is the coding part. Okay, let me close the program. Here small mistake. In our last tutorial I wrote price only. Here you have to write again total price plus price, then only it's going keep on adding the price in the list here, like that. Here if you enter the price, notice that here both the added and calculate and display the final total at the top. Okay, so that I put again total here. Okay, I forgot to put in my last tutorial, so that I explain in this tutorial. Okay, please put this one. Okay, now go to the save button. This will be the save button, our save button. If you add all the data completed, after that click save button, the data will be go and add our database table. Okay, here let's see, moving to our database part. It is opening. Okay, here you have to type localhost, here my admin, my admin. You can select your database name first. This will be your database name. Here I have already created two tables. One is a sales main and product tables. Okay, you can first, this will be the main table, this will be the sub. Okay, here this will be the main, sales main. Here you can see that. This is structure: ID, date, time, quantity, price, and gross wage, gross total. Gross total means final total. The date means when you are adding when you are purchasing the items, the current date will be added, and then the current time will be added, and quantity will be added, price will be added, final total will be go and store our database. The same time here also the same thing save under this database. For sales product table, let me go back, go to this product table. Here sales ID, product name, quantity, price, and gross total. Okay, here we can store. If you press save button, the both table, the data should be added, both tables. This table also added, database go and added, and sales main table also data is going to added, and sales product tables also data is going to added. Okay, both table data should be going to added. Okay, so okay, let me see how to write the query. For that, double click on the save button. Here I already wrote the query. I explain. Okay, this is the query. Here first I wrote within the try and catch block. Okay, you understood this one. Open the try block and close the try block. Here within the try block I wrote one while loop, for loop. This will be the initial value for the for loop. This is the variable. This is the initial value, mean this is 0. Here I mean this 0. because the 0 is all the value which is I less than grade data grid view dot rows. Data grid view dot rows mean this rows. Which rows? This rows. Okay. Here then plus plus. Okay. Here what happen is when you add the data row by row. Okay, once you complete this row, after that this loop completed, after that second loop is completed, the second loop works, after that third loop, fourth loop, as this keep on working until you complete the sales. Okay, that is why I wrote in put the for loop and wrote the coding. Okay, within the for loop I write the insert query. Okay, once the sales completed, you can, if you click added, the data will be going and add. Here I created one MySQL command and create one object CMD. Here MySQL command, which object which is a CMD, I give the database connection. This connection object I give here. All the connection will be stored this con. The con object I pass here. So the connection will be coming to our SQL command. Okay. Now what I am going to do is CMD means this SQL MySQL command reader. CMD, there will be the property called command text equal to, you are going to write the query. The query which is insert into, I am going to write insert into products. Sales products mean this table. Okay, sales products mean this table. This table consists of these columns: ID, sales ID, product name, quantity, price, and gross total. All the relevant fields are you have to put here. Okay, this ID we no need to put because this is a auto increment part. We no need to add in these columns. This will be called as database columns, database table columns. This is coming from here. Here I am starting from here. Insert into table name mean this table name, and relevant field means starting sales ID, product name, quantities there, you check here, price was there, gross total also there. Okay, perfect. The same after that values. After that I created the same name as a store procedure. The same name I am going to create the store procedure here. ID here, product name I created store procedure. Store procedure means these symbols are called as store procedure. Okay, quantity I created the one store procedure, and price also I created one store procedure, and gross total also I created one store procedure. Okay, after that, after created successfully, you have to CMD parameters dot add value, and you have to set into relevant text boxes to add into the database. Okay, so sales ID mean this is the sales ID. Here you don't set this one here. You have to this is your store procedure also you have to set here. This is store procedure. You have to called here within the double quotation mark. After that comma, this one will be your invoice number, label, box number here, this one. The invoice number also you should add into your database. So that first you have to add the invoice number. Okay, so this will be the invoice number. Okay, invoice number here, it's adding into this column, sales ID column. After that product name, this will be there. This product name will be coming from here. Sorry, here product name, this will be coming from here. Which name will be data grid rows I mean this I, cell 2. Cell 2 mean here the data grid view, same as a database. This starting from 0 here, I mean this one, this I. Okay, I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5. Okay, it's starting from 0, ended from 5. Okay, so here back to our coding view. To mean it is belongs to product name. Here let me go here 0, 0, it's starting from 0, 1, 2. To mean it's here. Okay, understood. After that, quantity mean the same thing 0, 1, 2, 3, position 3. Here I put as a cell position 3. Okay, price mean 4, gross total mean 5. Okay, gross total mean 5. Okay, 5 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I hope you understood this stuff. This is not that kind of art, very easy stuff. You must try this stuff. Okay, I created these are coming from our database tables. After that, I create the store procedure. After that, I equal into relevant fields. This is the data grid view fields. This is the label field. Okay, I equal into the relevant fields. Okay, after that, again I created another SQL command, which is a CMD1. Okay, because once you click the save button, both record will be added into our database. So that I created two connections. Okay, I created another MySQL command. Here CMD1, this is called as CMD, this is called as CMD1. Okay, I created another object which is a SQL command object CMD1, and this is another table which is a sales main. This field for sales product mean this one. After that, I created another table field which name is sales main. Okay, so that I created another SQL command. After that, give the connection, same connection I give here. After that, SQL command CMD dot command text equal into, I wrote one query here, that is insert into sales main ID mean this ID, sales main ID mean it's coming from our this ID. Your invoice ID will be going to add here. This is not a auto increment part. This will be your sales ID will be going here. So that I put the sales ID. The sales invoice number will be added here. Okay, that's why I have put here. Okay, ID this not will be the auto increment part. Okay, sales main structure. Go to the structure. Here notice that there are no auto increment part. Here only primary key only you have to add. Okay, don't add the auto increment. Okay, because this is coming from the our invoice number. This invoice number will be added into in this ID column, because this is a main. Okay, sales main table. This is an invoice number. This is the current date and time. I am going to add here. So current date and time I didn't put here, so that I have to get the current and date time. So okay, I'm going to put two labels for that, current date and time. Okay, so I'm going to put two labels here. This is for time, sorry, this is for date. Let me change the name as date, LBL date, again select as date I need another label. This is for time. So here properties, I am going to change the name as LBL time. Okay, please remember these two names. One is a LBL date, another one is a LBL time. Okay, the same thing you have to enter your form loader. Once a form loaded, this will be the form loaded event. Here if you double click on this, you can the link goes to your form loaded, sales form loaded, because when the sales form is loaded, the automatically date and time is coming here. So that here you have to change the label, not label 4, you have to change here as a LBL date. So that copy here, paste here. This one LBL time, LBL time. Copy here, paste. That's it. Here LBL date mean which name will be this one. LBL date mean this one here, LBL date. So what I did is dot text mean, which is a property, equal into this is the current date coding, date time. This is defaultly available in our C#. Date time dot today dot toString equal, this is the date format. Date format means this is for date, this is for month, this is for year. So that I put here. This is how our date format will be appearing on my program. So that I put within the bracket like this. Okay. At the same time, LBL time also will be loaded when the sales form is loaded. So that LBL time dot text equal date time, which is coming from predefined function in our C#.net, dot now mean now the current time, dot to short time string. This function is already available of when you insert the time. Okay, so that is defaultly loading. Now what I am going to do is here I am calling these two variables into my database. Okay, the current this function going to store our database, and current time, this will be the current, okay, current date will be store our database and current time will be store our database. Okay, so here I am going to write simply where the date, this will be the date. Okay, so I simply put here this, I copy here. This all the date function will be stored in this LBL label. So I go and here change as LBL date, here time, copy here and save on our this one. Perfect. Sorry, copied all the stuff, not all the stuff. I need this one only. Copy this one, right click and copy and paste it on here. Okay, perfect. The quantity mean, after that quantity mean this one. How much my items you have selected, you are getting from here LBL items, because this one John 1 2 3, here 1 2 3, here this one. This is the quantity, how many quantity item you have selected. Okay, 2 or 3 or 4, you have to, this value I am going to enter in this sales main. Okay, not this one, this one. Okay, 2 items, this is 2 quantity here, 2 items you have selected. Okay, if you are selected 3 1, third one, 3 items you have selected. Okay, that's how. Okay, well, let's moving to our coding part. So let's see the current time also displayed. Here current time and date, current time will be displayed and date will be displayed. Okay, this is the format. This is the form. Okay, you must increase the size of the font. Okay, little bit, so that it is very perfect. Okay, so let's close the program. Okay, let's moving to our coding part. Sales same here. Here I have to give the quantity name as LBL. What is a LBL items? So copy this one and paste. Okay, after that gross total mean your final total. Okay, so here this will be your final total. You get the final total here. Label name is a LB total. You copy this one and paste here. That is the only stuff you have to do. Dot text. Okay, this one for gross wage mean, gross total mean, it is all the columns and rows coming the total, and I'll explain later on this what is the difference between this and this. Okay, here let me click. After that, open the connection. After complete this stuff, open the database connection, call the execute none query mean this tables, if all the connection and query are correct, success without no error, this query will work. Execute none query. After that, if it is connected successfully, second query will be work. This will work. If it's all are correct, message will be coming. Record added successfully. That is the thing. Okay, you have to do. Right. Let's see if it is work or not. Here, username and password. Click login. Login successfully. Click sales option. Here notice that you can get the invoice number here. It's automatically generated from the coding. Here I'm going to enter the product number 1. The 1 mean it belongs to, go to the product table. Here by this one, TOS 32 TV LED. This one I'm going to buy here and press enter key. Here you can notice that this will be enabled, and 2, I need two TVs. Press enter key. You can notice that this will be your auto increment of the data grid. This is the item number 1. What is the number you enter on this text box? It is apply here. This is your TV. This is a quantity. This is a price, the quantity which you enter here. This is the price of the TV. It's 2 multiplied by 56,000. This will be the total. Okay. Okay. Now I need the second one. 2 1. Okay. Now you can notice the second one is this one, AC, one quantity. Here this will be the price. This is the total. Here you can see the gross total at the top here. This will be your gross total. You can see once you complete the sales, if you click save button here, record added. Okay, click OK. That is the thing you have to do. Again, you go back to your database. This will be your database tables. Here sales main, if you go there, here notice that this will be the ID, this will be the date, this will be the time you saved here, this will be the time, and quantity 2 sales main quantity 2 mean this one. You bought 2 items, so that 2 will be stored. This will be the final total, so that the final total will be stored on your database table sales main new. Okay, after that, if you go to the table sales product, here you can notice that sales ID 11, so that here the same sales ID invoice number here written here. This will be your product you have purchased, this one. The LED TV mean quantity 2. Here price will be you enter, you bought 2 TVs here, this one. This all the stuff enter in your point sales product tables. This is the stuff enter your sales product table. Sales main table, the all the final total only saved in your sales main table. That is the difference between sales product and me. Okay, here this is the final total entered here. How many quantity you buy enter here. Current date and time store here. That is the only stuff store here. Sales product mean the all the sales which you did. What are the items you bought? All the items are saved in this one here. Okay, this is the difference between sales main and sales product. Okay, again I am going to close this one. Okay, in my next tutorial I am going to write the coding of the cancel button. Okay, I am going to explain how to write the cancel button and other stuff I am going to explain in my upcoming tutorial. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.